In this video, we will see how to change the password on your macOS. This video is for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mini Mac. In order to change the password, click on the Apple logo and then click on the System Settings. Under System Settings on the left hand side menu, click on the Users and Groups. Under Users and Group, locate your user account and click on the I button. Now a new pop-up window will appear. Click on the Change in front of the password. Now type your old password. Type your new password. This password should be 4 characters or more, or you can leave this new password field blank if you do not want to have any password. Under Verify, again enter your new password. If you want to have a password hint, just add it here for the next time. And then click on Change Password. In this way, your password will be changed. Click on OK. Now you just need to restart your machine so that this new password will be in effect. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.